ClickUp versus Notion. Hi guys, welcome back to the Imminent HD channel. Today I am comparing ClickUp and Notion to figure out how to use these platforms. Today I will be showing you around ClickUp and telling you about its features, and then I will show you around Notion and tell about its features as well. Then we will compare their pricing. So let's get started. First, we have Notion. Now, Notion is a project management software, and ClickUp is also a project management software. Both of these platforms have very cool features that they offer. So, let's go to their pricing first and figure out their affordability to check out that which of the platform is better for us to use. So let's go to the pricing of ClickUp first, and you can see right here that this is the pricing for ClickUp. ClickUp has a free plan which gives you 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited members, two-factor authentication. That's pretty good. Then we have an unlimited plan which is $5 per user per month, and if it's billed yearly, if you are billed monthly, then it's gonna be $9 per user per month, and it gives you unlimited storage, unlimited lists and boards, and unlimited integration, unlimited dashboards, guests and permissions, goals, portfolios, and custom fields. So that's pretty amazing. ClickUp is not that expensive at all. The features ClickUp actually offers are very good features, and it has a lot of cool features that we will actually check out in the video. So you can see free and then $9 for the unlimited plan. So if we go to the pricing for Notion, the personal plan is $0, which is unlimited pages and blocks, shared with 5 guests, signed across devices, API. Then there is Personal Pro, which is $4 per month. And for power users who want to do even more, everything in Personal Plus, unlimited file uploads, unlimited guests, and 30-day version history. And then there is a team option, which is for $8, in which you get unlimited team members, collaborative workspace, sharing permissions, admin tools. And then there is Enterprise, in which you will actually have your own pricing. You can have your own customized features. So yeah, both of these platforms are not expensive at all. You can see the pricing is almost similar. This one is $8 for the team plan, and this is for $9. So yeah, I think that both of these platforms are not that expensive at all, and the cool features they are offering, a lot of features that both of these platforms have. For example, if we go to Notion, you can see that they have pages and blogs, and there you get unlimited access to your personal team. If you are working in a team, then there are members. If you go to the team and enterprise, you can have unlimited number of users. And then there is guest option, file uploads, collaboration. And if we go to the features right here, you can see that in even the Personal Pro plan, you get 50 plus starter templates and documents, note, database, tablet, table lists, calendars, and gallery. So that's pretty good. That's really amazing. So let's go to ClickUp now, and let me show you around ClickUp that how ClickUp works. Okay, the big difference between ClickUp and Notion is that Notion is a cloud-based project management software, and it can be used as for just an individual. If it's just you can use Notion. But when it comes to ClickUp is good for big businesses. If you have big teams, if you have more than maybe 5 to 10 members, even if it's a very big company, for example, you have more than 30 members, then you will use ClickUp. But when it comes to just your personal use, then Notion provides you that kind of workspace as well, in which you can have your own personal workspace. That's the concept of Notion as well. Like, it gives you your own workspace in which you can just manage yourself. So let's go to ClickUp and let me show you around. So what happens in ClickUp, it's super easy to use. You simply click on add task right here, and you will be able to add task. If I want to name a task, I will simply click on here, task 1. And if I have any list, I will choose that list right here. And if I want to assign it to somebody, then simply I will click on that assignee. And then description, I can add any description right here. If I want to attach any files, I will simply click on add and I will be able to attach file. Click on create task and your task will be created. There you go, your task has been created. If I want to add another task, I will simply click on add task, again task 2, and save. So you can do that right here. If you want to move, there is a drag and drop system in ClickUp. So you simply, you can do drag and drop as well. There are different spaces. If you want to have more than one workspace, you can go ahead and create that on ClickUp. You get the calendar views right here. You are getting boards, you are getting list, and then there is a document option. If I go right here, I will be able to show you all of the different features of ClickUp. Record clip, track time. You can actually track time on ClickUp. Reminders, notepad, new documents, calendars, and task tray. This is pretty amazing. New document means that you can actually add any document up to 100 MB right here on ClickUp. When you go back to your home, you will be able to see that all of the different tasks and analytics are also shown on ClickUp. So ClickUp gives you this overview of your workspace. When it comes to managing your workspace, ClickUp will actually provide you a very good workspace of your own, in which you can actually have these, you can have your integrations. That's pretty amazing. What happens in ClickUp is, if I go to the integrations right here, I can actually go ahead and add any integration into my ClickUp, which is Slack, Discord, and Google Hangouts, Microsoft Teams, Zoom. Any of these integrations, if I want to add in my ClickUp, I can do that, and which makes the project management easier. And when it comes to people, you can have more than unlimited people if you are working in a plan. And I told you it's good for big businesses if we talk about ClickUp. So let's go to Notion and let me show you around Notion now. You can see right here that on Notion it's also pretty easy to use. Quick find all updates, and this is the workspace that has been created. It is a customized workspace that they have created for me, because this is what it will look like when you will create Notion, because I just created it. Same goes with ClickUp. This is very, I'm showing you around the new accounts that we have just created. So what happens is, you will see this. So this is the workspace that they have created. So I'm going to work with this one. It's just kind of like a template. So I can just go ahead and name it according to my workspace, and I'm going to call it my workspace. Okay, there you go. After that, you can see that they have also added these different boards right here. So what will happen is, I will click on create a new page, and I will just simply name it. Click right here and name it page new. Created type, what kind of type it is, let's just say it is for the videos. I'm just adding random information, guys. Like you can add what, of course you will, when you will create a task, you will add the authentic information. So when it comes to type, I can go ahead and select the type for it. Let's go with the text. And then there is a status, in which you can actually select the status for this. I can actually change it to something else if I want to. For example, let's just call it to do. Then I can go ahead, and there is a priority option. If I want to add, I will simply go ahead and add the priority option right here. So you can go ahead and create your page, and you will actually able to add your type, your priority, your task, your timeline, and product manager. So what's gonna happen is, if I click right here, then I can add a person right here. This is how you assign it to somebody. And then if you have this will be the project manager. If I have more than one people working on it, so I will add this one right here, and now it will show that, okay, this project has been, I am the one who is managing it, and these are the people working under me. So if I want to add a new property for this project, for example, this was a sales project and I wanted to add a property of hint or maybe something, so I will add the option of leads right here. Once I'm done with that, you can see that it will be added right here, the leads for this project. So once I'm done with everything, you can actually go ahead and do these all of these different options as well. So you can see that when it comes to creating a task on Notion, you can see all of these different options that are very, very, different than others. Like for example, when it comes to ClickUp, you saw that we can actually add subtasks, we can do that. But when it comes to doing adding the property to the task, adding the font, you can see that I can actually adjust the text, I can adjust the customization of the page and everything. So that's pretty amazing. And if I want to export it and export it in the PDF form, I can do that as well. So this is amazing. You can see right here that I can actually export it as well. If I want to check out the page history, I can do that and check out it here on this page. So once this is created, I will just simply go down. If I want to add new template, add a task, bug, and project spec, I can just go ahead and do that. So for now, I'm just going to leave it. You can see that this is what my new page looks like. So if I want to go ahead and drag it to the completed, I can do that as well. Again, drag and drop system, which is also available on ClickUp. And after that, this is my workspace. If I go to user research, these are different boards that have been created in ClickUp. You will actually see these different boards within your workspace, and on Notion you will also see these different pages. In ClickUp you create tasks, in Notion you create pages. Notion actually gives you an idea that this is your like personal diary in which you're logging, it gives you that kind of view because it is also for the personal use as well. Again, if I want to change it, I will simply click here, and I can actually change it to research team. And after that, I can actually add on new and create a new task. I will simply click right here and then add a name of my any employee. And then after that, I can add the task right here. The task will be profile editing. So let's just say I can add the date right here, and once that done, I can actually add the interviewer as well. So you can see right here that this is pretty good, where you can actually add different workspaces within your workspace, where you can add different people. You can actually have these workspaces very customized according to what you were looking for. So that's pretty amazing. So ClickUp is for big businesses, as we know, but when we talk about Notion, Notion could be used for big businesses, but not that good. It's good for these small businesses. And the good thing about Notion is that it provides a free plan as well. And in that free plan, you actually get more features as compared to ClickUp. The free plan for ClickUp provides you with a lot of features, but it actually has a lot of features in their enterprise and pro programs. But when it comes to Notion, you can actually have your own personal plan in which you will get all of the features. They're just not unlimited, but you actually get all of the features. And the sign up process for both of these platforms, very easy. All you have to do is just sign up with your Gmail account and you're good to go. And you can actually add many team members into your workspace on Notion as well as on ClickUp. All you have to do is just add their email and they will be added. So if we talk about Notion, if I go to templates, Notion actually provides you with a lot of templates as well. Actually, ClickUp also provides you with the templates, but Notion is kind of like more, actually it's older than ClickUp. It was the Notion actually came in 2016 and ClickUp came in 2017. But as we see now, the ClickUp is actually more famous than Notion now when we talk about the project management softwares out there. So yeah, if I go to the any templates, you will see that you can actually get templates on anything. And again I'm saying this thing that it is for the personal use, because you can see that there is a template for students. If you are a student, if you have you want to manage your studies, you can do that on Notion as well. So that's pretty amazing, right? And you can actually go ahead, you can see personal CRM, syllabus, classroom, lessons and lesson plans. But when it comes to marketing and other project management that we are looking for, the workspace, of course you can use Notion for that as well. So this is how you actually get different templates on Notion. And when it comes to the into different options as well, for example, time tracking is available in ClickUp, not on Notion. And when it comes to customization, the customization of tasks is more efficient in Notion as compared to ClickUp. On ClickUp, you can see that you have your own dashboard where you can actually have different dashboards as well. When it comes to Notion, again, you can actually switch from your personal to your business account as well. So that's good. If you want to add another account, you can do that on Notion as well. So yeah, guys, this is a comparison between ClickUp and Notion. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to distinguish between Notion and ClickUp, and you will be able to, when you will be choosing a project management software, you will have an idea about ClickUp and Notion, and you will have an idea that which one is better for you to use. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.